What is up, car guys and car gals? This is Jake Frye, the car guy, here with
Walker Paul Tedders. Thanks for joining us.
And guys, we have an exciting new product. This is a big shout out to the Cotoza company. They're an aftermarket provider for tons of different Ford accessories. And today we've got a beautiful cargo mat for our 2022 Ford Explorer, as well as a trunk organizer. So we're gonna go ahead and install those in and show you how they work and do a little review for you. So it's super easy, actually. These came folded up, so we just unfolded them, and I'm just gonna kind of wedge them on in. And
they got the cutouts for the seat belts in the back.
That is right. So you've got everything kind of set up and designed exactly for the 2022 Ford Explorer. And I think I may actually have this backwards. So we're going to give it a little flipperoo here.
A little flipperoo.
But that's how easy and quick it is to install these Cotoza cargo mats here. And I mean, this is as durable.
Yeah, this is durable. Like if you guys were here to feel it in person, you guys would know that this is a high quality material.
That's exactly right. And it fits almost exactly into our Ford Explorer bed. This one is bowed up just a hair, and that's because we haven't had time to let it rest. You know, we try to get our videos out to you, our fans, as quick as possible so that you get the information, you're not missing anything. And I mean, these 22s are so hot. I think these floor mats will be a big product as well.
And this is a great material. It's going to be scratch resistant. It's waterproof.
Tear resistant.
It's going to keep you know, anything under this mat. It's not going through any spills, anything like that. Any moving of cargo. It's going to keep your interior clean and safe and free of damage.
That's right. And one thing that you want to be sure of when you're buying and selling a beautiful, you know, high dollar car like a 22 Ford Explorer is the condition it's going to be in when you go to sell or trade that back in. And one thing that they look for on a Kelley Blue Book ICO or a trade-in appraisal is condition. You want your interior to be in good shape. You don't want those rips, those tears, those stains. And a lot of folks use the great cargo space in their Ford Explorer to actually get the job done, maybe haul products for your company. And the last thing you want is it tearing up your personal vehicle or your company car.
So protect your car with Cotoza. We have one more thing we want to show you guys. It's a cargo separator. Jake's about to grab it right here.
Come on around, Walker. So we noticed that this cargo separator actually is a great fit for your bucket seats Ford Explorer as well. So say we've got our kids in the back, we might want to put in a little trash line or a grocery bag. Maybe they've got their goodies for school or some infotainment devices. This fits fantastically in the center console of our 22 Ford Explorer. So that's just one great option for how to use it. This is not the original design for the product.
And it folds up real nice and neat, has clips on the side to keep it organized and toted away when not in use.
Exactly right. So if we needed to haul this thing around, you know, switch cars, what have you, then simple click, we'll lock it in. We've got another one on the other side, and this thing is ready to store, ready to travel. So don't think just because you have one, you're going to be taking up that space all the time. We saw how easy it is to install and remove these products. So even if you're somebody who uses your third seat, I think this is still a great option for when you've got more cargo to carry. But going ahead and unclipping these, our cargo organizer, again, a pretty sturdy material. It's got handles on there for easy transport so that you're not lugging different items back and forth between the car and the house or the car and work. And we also have additional Velcro pockets on the side. So say you've got a DVD player, say you've got, you know, something that might need a little bit of storage there, you've got some privacy storage integrated right into your trunk organizer there. So super ergonomic, super handy product. And again, our cargo mat here, super sturdy. I couldn't recommend it enough. Guys, if you want to check out the Cotoza floor mat or cargo organizer or cargo mat, then go ahead and check out the link in the description. We've got them available now with a discount running specially for our car guys and car gals out there. And if you like what you see, if you want some more content on Ford Explorers, Raptors, GT500s, we've got it all. Be sure to like and subscribe to Car Guys on YouTube, youtube.com/@RealCarGuys. And if you want to get more information, you have questions, or you have a exciting new Ford accessory or product, then email us at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com, and we'll be sure that you get the time in the spotlight that you deserve. Guys, this has been
Walker Paul Tedders and
Jake Frye, the Car Guy. We'll see you again soon. Like and subscribe now.